I love olive oil and use it every time I can, but there are cases in the kitchen where olive oil is a mistake. Think about it. Do you really want your carrot cake to taste like olives? No, you want to be using a neutral, i.e. flavorless vegetable oil. So I've got some choices here on the table, but let me start by explaining an important thing about refined versus unrefined. So some of these oils, the peanut, the avocado, the coconut, come in unrefined versions as well as refined. The unrefined ones are going to taste like the plant. That's not what we want here. We want the refined, absolutely tasteless. Remember, this is a cooking medium, not a flavoring agent. So let me break down the choices and explain what we like in the test kitchen and what I like at home. So corn oil, fine in almost every application that we tried in the kitchen, except in mayonnaise. It was a little sour. Next up, canola. Also fine in most applications except for frying. It has fatty acids that break down and oxidize and kind of taste a little fishy. And honestly, I don't want my donuts to taste like fish. Peanut oil, great for high heat, especially frying. Makes amazing French fries, but it's more expensive than the rest of these, which leaves us with the best all-purpose choice, which is a blend like Crisco blend. This is multiple oils, so you get the best of all worlds. It's also inexpensive. So there are two more vegetable oils that are in the news a lot and I want to tell you a little bit about. Avocado oil here is super high in monounsaturated fats, just like olive oil. And so it's got those health properties people are excited about. Cooks really well. It can heat to 500 degrees. It's great for sauteing. It's really expensive though, so that's the downside. Coconut oil is perfect for vegan baking. It's solid at room temperature, just like butter. And for cakes and cookies where you're looking to replace the butter, this is the choice. So all of these vegetable oils, their cooking properties are pretty different from each other. You may want multiple vegetable oils in your pantry so that you can do multiple things in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.